Oh man, tell you what guys, this is not an easy trail to do, but I'm sure the view will be very nice at the top. Hey, do you want to use this? This helps a lot. Here, take it. I found it on the trail.
Thank you.
So we are approaching the summit of Mount Yona. This viewpoint's like right there by the edge of the cliff. Man, and sure enough, we have ourselves an amazing view right here. Honestly, what you're seeing on the footage just doesn't even do the justice of how amazing these views are up here. You just gotta come out here and see it for yourself. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today is Tuesday, December 5th. It's a nice, cool, crispy morning here, and I am at a trailhead called Mount Yonah Trailhead. It's near a small town called Helen, Georgia, in the state of Georgia, northern Georgia. So I just got here about maybe 9:30 a.m. I believe. We're gonna go ahead and hike this trail. It's about a 5-mile trail, kind of like a loop trail, and there should be a nice view at the top of Mount Yona, hopefully. And I think there's also some campsites along the way too that we can try to check out. So let's go ahead and we'll get this hike started here, and I'll take you along. So let's go. Alright guys, so look at this, check it out. Looks like someone may have left a nifty walking stick here, so I think I might have to put this to use along my hike here on the trail. So let's go. Alright guys, so just hiking along, just getting started. Already seen some wildlife. Got a deer running through the trees over there, heading that way. It's running off. I scared him away by accident. Lots of squirrels. Pretty quiet out here, but let's continue on. I think we should be approaching a campsite, or at least there's a campsite symbol on the map, so I'm guessing there's going to be some sort of campsite along the way here. I think it's about a half mile up, so we'll try to check that out first thing. Let's go. Alright guys, so got a jogger on the trail, just jogged past me. First person I've seen. It is quite a bit of an incline though. I don't know if you can tell from the footage of the GoPro, but I've been going up this steady incline the whole time. Hasn't really leveled off at all. But yeah, so far so good. Let's keep going. Did you make it to the top?
No, I just go like 30 minutes to exercise as fast as I can, and then
oh, okay.
back to work.
Oh, all right.
It'll be beautiful up there though.
All right, let's see if I make it. Take care. All right guys, so it finally started to level out a little bit in this section right here. But yeah, it's going up like a slight incline the whole time until this point right here. But on the map, I think there should be a couple campsites coming up right around the bend here. So I'm gonna see if I can find them. Should be coming up pretty close. Pretty cool trail though. A lot of really big boulders and rocks along the way. It's pretty big trees too. A lot of fallen down trees that they've cut across the pathway. So pretty interesting. And right past this bend here, I believe should be some campsites. Not seen anything yet though. See, check out this big boulder right here. There's quite a few of those type of rocks along the trail like this. Makes it pretty scenic. Well, actually, now that I think of it, I think maybe this is what they consider a campsite right here. Check this out. It's in a little semi-flat area. Although, see, look at this. This is a campfire, a fire ring here. A makeshift fire ring made out of some stones. But yeah, I guess this is the first campsite here. Although I gotta say, even though it's a small clearing from the trees here, it's not very flat. There's a little bit of a incline going down this way here. So I don't know how comfortable that would end up being, sleeping in this section here. I think there's another campsite on the other side too. See if I can find that one. If it wasn't for that incline, it might not be a bad spot. Can't. Although it's right by the trail too though. I mean, this is the trail right here, so you're literally right next to the trail. Oh man, just about to leave this camp spot here. Almost forgot my handy dandy hiking stick. Well, let's see if we can find some more camp spots along the way before we hit the summit of Mount Yona. Hi. How's the view up there?
What?
How's the view up there?
Well, we haven't went to the top because we went here and I don't think this is the path. So I think
It's the wrong way that way. I've never been here before. This is my first time.
It's really lovely, but we haven't been either.
Okay.
That's okay. We'll get there.
Yeah. Alright guys, so just spoke to some other people hiking along the trail, and they actually went the wrong way. So one thing I will say about this trail is that it's not marked very well at all. It's very easy to accidentally go off the path and head in the wrong direction. But I'm approaching a really cool section here. All these rock boulders. There's quite a few rocks along this pathway too, so definitely gotta watch your step. Pretty scenic though, I gotta say. Especially with all the rocks and the boulders. Look at the size of these. Alright guys, let's keep it going. Wow, really cool section here guys. Just had to scale a lot of these rocks and boulders here to get through. Definitely not an easy hike, I can tell you that. Alright guys, check out the amazing view right here. We're not even at the top yet. And it's already looking pretty nice. Still got a long way to go, so let's keep it moving. All right, check it out, guys. So I think I approached another campsite here. So see, there's like a little, another little makeshift fire ring right here. This one's really nice as well. Still a little bit of an incline on here too. Very nice views though. Check that out, guys. Not a bad spot to camp out, I gotta say. Alright guys, check it out. It's another sign of a campfire here. So seems to be a lot of random camping along this trail here. It's not really like an official campsite, but I think there's one coming up, an official one that's on the map, so we'll try to find that one. Oh, actually, here it is right here. So here are the official campsites. Much flatter ground here, as you can see. Nice opening. And then there's another spot over here. And you got yourself a nice view. So this looks like a much flatter ground for camping here. Look at all this room you got. And a little fire ring. And here's the view. Some people heading up there. All right, pretty cool, guys. Let's keep going. Oh man, tell you what guys, this is not an easy trail to do, and it really helps a lot to have this hiking stick or a trekking pole or something when you're doing a trail like this, because of how steep the inclines are and how often you're going up. So I'm really glad I found this thing. Helps a lot. And there's really not a whole lot of flat area on this trail. It's mainly just an incline pretty much the whole way. As you can see, still going up, but I'm sure the view will be very nice at the top. So up we go. Almost there. Yeah. Hey, do you want to use this? This helps a lot. I don't need it anymore. You sure? Here, take it. I found it on the trail.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna stop over here though. I think there's like a little park area down this way, so I'll see you guys at the top. Yeah guys, so you go down this way, that takes you up towards the peak of Mount Yona, but there's another trail down this way. I think this is like a another trailhead area. Just gonna check it out real quick. There might be like some picnic benches and restrooms, things like that, so just gonna let them go up, scoop it out. But yeah guys, this is a pretty steep incline trail pretty much the whole time. Takes a lot out of you, and so it definitely helps to have like some sort of trekking pole or walking stick, so hopefully that'll help her out so you can get up to the top. Actually, this looks like a roadway almost. You can take a vehicle down this path. It's like some sort of service road. But yeah, it looks like the other trailhead might be a little ways off, so I'm just gonna turn around and head up to the peak of Mount Yona. Oh, actually that service road was not the way to the little rest area. It's actually right up ahead here. As you can see, there's like a little building up there. I think it's like a restroom. And they probably have some picnic benches or something, I'm sure. Let's see a sign up ahead. Yeah, see some benches. It says, attention to avoid conflict with U.S. Army training and climbing area. Call the number for more information on when they're doing their military training. So I guess the U.S. Army uses this area for military training. Pretty cool. Little rest stop area. Some benches if you need to take a rest. And then that's how you get up to the trail. But we're gonna soldier on and keep going. Oh man. Alright guys, getting closer. Getting closer. There's a lot of switchbacks in this section, kind of like zigzagging up to the mountain. Still going on an incline. This is a little flat lookout point right here. Check out this view though, guys. Really nice view up here. Temperature has dropped quite a bit up here too since down lower, obviously because we're at a higher altitude now. But check it out, guys. These views are amazing up here. It's like a little lookout point. Oh man. Wow. How beautiful is that? We're not even at the top yet. I think at the top there's supposed to be like a big clearing with, so there's no like trees or anything in the way. Oh man. Alright guys. Almost there. Let's make it to the top. Alright, check it out guys. So I think this is a sign that we're getting closer to the peak because it's starting to turn into just straight rock here. I mean, look at this. It's pretty cool. It's just a steep incline of just straight up rock. And I think the trail goes up over here. So usually that's a sign that you're getting close to the summit. Almost there, guys. All right, guys, so approach a little bit of a fork in the road here. Two ways we can go. We can either take this path, which seems to be a little bit more maintained, or there's a path right here, seems to be a little bit more off the beaten path, but I think it's a big loop anyway, so I think either way we're going to end up back here again. I think this way actually has a little bit more scenic views, so we're going to go ahead and take this way and see what's along it. So let's go. All right, guys, and sure enough, we have ourselves an amazing view right here. Check it out. Wow. Man, what a view. Honestly, what you're seeing on the footage just doesn't even do the justice of how amazing these views are up here. You just gotta come out here and see it for yourself. Wow, check out this one, guys. This viewpoint's like right there by the edge of the cliff. Man. Hey guys, how you doing? Good. Some nice views up here.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
All right, guys, so we are approaching the summit of Mount Yona right here. I think this actually might be the summit here. And I see quite a few little campsites, so I think people actually camp up at the top, which is really cool. There's a little campfire right here. Someone left their umbrella and some Mountain House meals. Let's go check it out here. Wow, look at this. Yep. Now this is a nice camp spot up here. Some campfire rings. All right, guys, mission accomplished. We have made it to the top of Mount Yona. Mount Yona is conquered. Now it's time to relax a little bit, take a little rest, and enjoy the views before we head back down. All right. Alright guys, so found a nice little rest spot here, sitting on some stones that people set up here, and there's like a leftover campfire, and just gonna hang out here for a little bit, maybe make some coffee, eat a little snack before I make my way down. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so that's about it for the hike up to Mount Yona. Now it's time to head back down, back to the trailhead where we started. So see you there. I see you still have the hiking stick.
Yeah.
How did it work out? Good? Huh?
How was your hike?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, those views were amazing up there, weren't they?
Yeah.
It's a lot easier coming down though, huh?
Definitely.
Yeah. All right, take care. All right, guys, here we are, back to the trailhead. We have officially conquered Yona Mountain. Really nice hike, really strenuous though. So one thing I would definitely recommend if you're gonna do this hike is to bring a walking stick or some trekking poles. A lot of steep inclines, a lot of bouldering and rocks. Pretty hard on the ankles and knees. But it's definitely worth it. The views were amazing up there. So highly recommend to check this trail out. It's called Mount Yonah Trailhead, which is where this is at right here. And it's only about 15 minutes from Helen, Georgia, which is also a really cool town to check out if you're in the area. But that sums up the adventure for today. So mission accomplished, conquered Mount Yona, and stay tuned for some more adventures. I'll see you in the next one. All right.